Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Dropbox API key. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to the Dropbox website and sign into your account. After logging in, make a quick change to the URL in your browser's address bar. Edit it to dropbox.com/developers and press enter. This will take you directly to the section where you can start creating an app in Dropbox, a necessary step to get your API key. Now, click on Create App, which will redirect you to the app creation page. This app will hold permissions and credentials such as the API key you need. On the app creation page, choose Scoped Access. Dropbox offers two access models, Scoped and Legacy. Scoped Access is the newer and more secure one, allowing you to control what your app can and cannot do in a user's Dropbox. After selecting it, choose Full Dropbox as the access type to grant your app permission to all files and folders. Next, name your app with a unique and meaningful name that represents your project. Then, check the box to agree to Dropbox's API terms of service after reviewing them carefully. Once done, click Create App to finalize your setup. This step registers your app officially on Dropbox, bringing you closer to obtaining your API key. After the app is created, you'll be directed to its settings page. Here, find and click on Generate Access Token. This will create a unique token that your application uses to authenticate API calls to Dropbox. Treat this token like a password. It's your app's key to accessing Dropbox features securely. And that's it. So that is how you can get Dropbox API key. So that's all for this video. Thanks.